Hoisting in JavaScript is when the variable declarations are moved to the top of the scope. So what it means is, for example, let's take this example. Let's in the first line, right? In the console log, we are printing greeting, right? In other languages, it will give you an error because a greeting has not defined yet, right? In JavaScript, what happens is the declaration of the variable is moved to the top of the scope. So for example, in this case, first we are printing greeting, and then we are assigning the variable. But in reality, how it's gonna work? So the first line will be that the greeting will be declared. Then we will print the greeting. Since we haven't defined any value for it, it will be undefined, and at the end hello world will be at the end hello world will be assigned to the greeting. So we can summarize that as a JavaScript hoist variable declaration to the top of the scope, but only if the declaration, for example in this case var greeting, right, not the initialization, so not the hello world. If we run this program, right, so as we can see here we are printing undefined, because again, so what we do is what in reality happens to these two lines, right? First we are declaring greeting, then we are printing it, which is the undefined, then we are assigning to it a value hello world.